I can get whoever's next. I can get whoever's next. Y'all ready to check out? Okay. Did y'all find everything okay? Good. What do you plan on making with it? Cornbread. My grandmother always told me, before she passed away from a heart attack, she said, put about 8 more tablespoons of butter in there than any recipe calls for. You'll have everybody knocking down your doors to pay their medical bills for their heart attacks and for that recipe. Sorry. I had to call in sick yesterday because there's just been some crud going around. They pass it around to about everybody in the store. We were actually real understaffed 4th of July weekend. What did y'all get up to that weekend? Nuh-uh. I rode up there last weekend too. Yeah, it was fun. We took our grandbabies to the water park. Yeah. Well, and then they had to shut it down the next day because some kids pooped in the pool. And I think a couple kids got E. coli.